Hi everyone, Ana Paula Hurtado here. In this video, I will demonstrate how to sort months in a visual in Power BI desktop. Stay tuned. Visualizing data in a time period is one of the most effective ways of reporting. But one thing we often see here is that the months down below are not ordered the right way. And you can say, Anna, not a problem. Just go up to the ellipses here and sort the axis by month name. But you see, that's not right either. So here is a tip that will help you to be successful in Power BI and that is also really fun to apply. First, we are gonna ensure that we get the month name column in the Power Query editor. Second, we are gonna go to the data view and we are gonna create a new column, and in the formula bar we are gonna write a DAX expression. You ready? Let's go back to Power BI desktop. So let's go to the data view to ensure that we have for the month name column, and we don't have it. Let's add it. Let's transform data. Let's go to the Power Query editor. First, remember, select the date column. You need to select it. Then we're gonna go to the add column ribbon, and in this section select date and go to the month and apply name of month. We're gonna create a new column that will display the name of the month. Perfect. So close and apply. Then go to the data view, and here is where DAX comes to the rescue. We're gonna apply the two functions I show you, and we're gonna create the World Bank Group period inside of this table. And this is the moment to write hard DAX. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. So we select the effective date. Next, we're gonna create a new column. And I'm gonna call this column period. Okay, parentheses, shift, enter. And the first function is month. Okay, and month will return the month as a number. Next, I'm gonna use the eDay function. And eDay requires two parameters, a start date and the integer that represents the number of months before or after the start date. First, the eDay, okay? And let's call eDay effective day. So I'm calling the table first and then my column name, that is, and then as I was mentioning, we're gonna call June because we're gonna add 6 months to my original date to mimic the World Bank Group fiscal period. And close this and apply, hit enter. One more step before we forget, so resist the urge to go to the report view. One more step here. So next we're gonna select the month name. It is where the magic happens. Go to the column tools ribbon, and do you see this function sort by column? This is the feature that we are expecting to apply now. So we're gonna sort based on the DAX function that we just created. So select that and see Power BI is applying the magic. And now let's move to the report view. So now we're gonna sort the axis based on the month name. And don't forget to apply in sort ascending. This is the chronological order: July, August, September, October till February. Excellent. So if you have any questions, comments, you know what to do. Post them in the comments below. And also, if you like my video, please big thumbs up. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next following videos.